Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum. It's my honor to be here today. What a pleasant place to be. To be honest with you, Somalis and Oromos are the same. They may have given us different titles, but way back my great-great-fathers, they all are Oromos. So the struggle is all of us. Somalis and Oromos are one. We believe the same. We fight the same. And the freedom is all for us. You guys, you have done such a wonderful things. You become an example. You are the corn. You are the heroes of our East Africans. The sacrifice that you have given, we'll never forget. And I think these guys will be the leaders of Africa, not only East Africa, Africa. A lot of people are waiting for you. You set a good example. Lumumba, you remember those old days? Those are the heroes of Africa. Now we have Jawar and Bekkani, the heroes of Africa. I'm so glad, I'm so honored to meet with them face to face. I have read a lot of them in the media, in the newspapers, and everything. But today is my honor to shake hands for these gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Thank you, shukran.
Okay, thank you, Rama Sheikh. Our last speaker is going to be Washington State Driver Union, Peter Quell from South Sudan. Warm welcome for Peter Quell from South Sudan.
Thank you. Yerecho. There you go, boy. Yerecho. All right, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Abdul, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, my brother Lata and sisters Margito. And thank you for the invite. I'm so happy to be with you today. I've been with Oromo for quite a long time here in Washington State, working with them. My vice president is from Oromo, Tekela, the CITEC City Council, and also board members of Driver Union, Margito. My best friend and good brother Lata have been with me for quite a long time. I'm so happy to be among Oromo community. I'm so, at the meantime also our brother Jawar and Bekkani should be happy for you. You can see, brother, the scene that you see now, people are so happy to welcome you. We are all welcome you here in Washington State. We're so joyful and so excited to have you. I have known Oromo community among African community in Washington State. They are very resilient, very strong people who keep their dignity and value. I really admire Oromo community among African community. Secondly, I want to welcome my brothers who were arrested in Africa, Brother Rudwan and Brother Yusuf. Give them a hand, please. Thank you, brothers, for your presence. I'm so happy. I'm here today to welcome you and welcome our guests, our brother Jawari and brother Bekkani for visiting us. It is honor in our heart here in Washington State to be visited by two of you. Maybe a first time of African community to come and make a big gathering like this. We never have any leader. I want to thank you all for coming in here today, and I wouldn't take a long time to speak, but I want to thank all of you for showing up here to support our brothers and to welcome our two brothers that have been released from prison. I will also extend my thanks to our religious leaders who have been praying for us and guiding us in Washington State and around the country. Please give a hand to all the youth and the community leaders who have been working day and night to support those we miss in our community here in Washington State. And last, I will say, as I say at the beginning, Jiratu!
Jirra!
Jiratu!
Jirra!
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I just want to recognize those that weren't able to make it this evening. Councilmember Girmay Zalai, Councilmember Muhammed Abdi, Councilmember Zach Eden, who's no longer a councilmember, but he has been advocating for Oromos for the past couple of years. So we would like to also thank the Seattle Police Department, who has always been there when we do our rallies. We'd like to thank also our two senators, Senator Murray and Senator Cantwell. So we have a special program later on with Redwan and Yusuf, who will come up here and also speak. So I'd like to save that for later, but I would like you guys to give the guest speakers that just spoke another round of applause, please. Thank you.
May Damitu family. Kanatan Sudan Sagantan Kena Salata. Daqiiqaa 5 keessatti salaatanii bakka teessanitti deebitanii eegasiin booda salaata warri salaatanillee warri salaan hedduu jira daqiiqaa 5 salaataaf kenninee jira eegasiin booda sagantaa mi'aayaa babbareeda
kan sagalee isaanii yeroo hedduuf yaaddanii yeroo kam qaamaan wal arginee sagalee isaanii kana dhaggeeffanna jettanii kanneen yaadanii turtanii gootota keenya yerootti sagalee isaanii dhageenyuu fi baga nagaan dhuftanii yookiin immoo isaan immoo galatoomaa yerootti isiniin jedhanidha. Itti aansinee kan salaata asrii booddee walitti deebina. Ammas qophiin keenya akkuma itti fufetti jira. Haga dhuma sagantaa keenyaatti nu wajjiniin turaan affeerraa.